Hey there, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to design your very own YouTube logo using Canva. Whether you're launching a brand new channel or just want to give your current one a fresh look, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a logo that truly stands out, and the best part is it's way easier than you might think. So let's jump right in and get creative together. First things first, let's open up Canva. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, it's completely free and signing up just takes a minute or two. Once you're there, you'll probably notice a bunch of ready-made templates, but for our logo, we want a bit more control. So head over to that Create a Design button up in the top right corner, give it a click and choose Custom Size. Now here's a key tip, set your dimensions to 100 by 100 pixels. This might seem small, but it's the perfect square canvas for a YouTube logo, simple, but it makes sure your logo will be crisp and clear wherever it appears. Go ahead and click to Create New Design. And there you go, you've got a blank canvas ready for your creativity. It might look a little empty right now, but that's just like a fresh start. Think of it like a blank sheet of paper. Now let's build a frame for our logo. Frames are really helpful because they give your design structure and instantly make it look polished. On the left sidebar in Canva, look for elements and search for frames. You'll see a lot of different shapes. For a classic logo vibe, you might want to stick with a circle or square. Just click your favorite shape and it'll appear on your canvas. Drag it to the center and you can easily resize it by pulling on the corners. If it feels a little tricky keeping it perfectly centered, Canva's smart guides will help line everything up, so don't stress. Alright, with your frame in place, it's time to add a cool image that represents your channel's personality. Think about what your channel is all about. Is it gaming, cooking, education, or vlogging? Head back to that Elements tab or use the Photos library to find an image or icon that fits. For example, if you're running a food channel, try searching for a fork or maybe a chef hat. Just drag your chosen image into your frame and adjust its size. Here's a quick tip, try not to overcrowd your logo. Simple icons or symbols tend to work best because they're easy to recognize, even when they're small. Next, let's add a few extra designs to really make your logo unique. You could drop in some text with your channel initials, use bright shapes or lines to add flair, or sprinkle in some fun stickers. Play around with the colors to match your style. Canva makes it super easy to tweak anything, so don't be afraid to experiment a little bit. One thing I love about playing with these tiny designs is that it's a bit like building with digital Lego. You can move things around until it feels just right. And that's it, your YouTube logo is ready to go. Once you're happy with your design, just click that download button at the top and save it as a PNG for a crisp, high-quality result. Remember, take your time and tweak things as you need. Your logo is a reflection of your channel's vibe, so make sure it feels like you. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you or you have any questions, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy and creative tutorials. Good luck with your channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.